The sun is coming out and the weather is getting warmer, and that means it's the perfect time for lemonade stands. And there's nothing we love more here at Dodge Country than a fresh, ice-cold glass of lemonade. That's why this year Dodge Country is sponsoring the Fort Hood Area Lemonade Day. It's a fun, free, nationwide program that helps teach young entrepreneurs to start, own, and operate their first business, a lemonade stand. Along the way, they learn about goal setting, problem solving, and making a dream become a reality. And we're holding a registration event right here at Dodge Country, Saturday, April 11th from 11 to 2. Bring your child in to sign up for the event and get their starter backpack. Inside, tons of information like a guide to building a stand and how to come up with a business plan, plus much more. Plus, we're looking for a young new business owner to build their stand right here at the dealership. So if you've got a great plan or a new and exciting lemonade recipe, we want to hear about it. We'll even help out with some of the costs it takes to start up your first business. Lemonade Day is a nationwide event that has hundreds of thousands of participants across the country. This year, Dodge Country is proud to be a part of the fun. For more information, visit www.forthood.lemonadeday.org or visit us during our registration event here at the dealership on April 11th. Remember, you can always buy for less than clean at Dodge Country, and that means lemonade too.